Hello folks, today I am doing an inspection and you're just not gonna believe what I found today. This is some wild stuff. Okay, so the upstairs is pretty bad shape, but this downstairs, we've got this support post here. Well, you don't see it secured at top or you don't see it at the bottom. As a matter of fact, we're just kind of up on a steel plate here trying to hold a few of these beams or floor joists from falling down. But look at this. You gonna wait. Whoa, what is this? My stars, you think that that's what we call secure? This is wild. This guy thinks this house is ready to be sold right now. Well, I guess it is, but not for anybody to live in it. This is wild. Folks, if you see something like this in your home inspection, run. Look at that post right there. It's not even plumb. That's ridiculous. Well, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Give us a call. Galloway Building Services. We're here to make sure you're getting what you paid for. You're not getting ripped off. And the job's done right. And it ain't none of this happening here. Look at this. I mean, look at that. Wow. I don't even know what to say about this, other than I'm getting the heck out of here now. Bye, folks.